Projectors. We see it all, feel it all, the most sensitive to it all. Born to be a guiding light between the shadows and light. As one who is connected to the source, born to bring others on its course, when we stop to preach, our aura will give a powerful speech. Because when we speak uninvited, our words echoes out of enlightenment. If we want to find our power, we need to look inside our tower, focus in, penetrating it from within. This is how we'll know we are the solution in outer Mayan's illusion. With those unique gifts we have found, start to shine brightly so that others will see our rightly. It is our guiding horn that was born to lead others out of their arrogant darkness. Embrace your bright light that will guide those who are disconnected from the bright side of life. Forever see the unseen. For most, we are rarely in the post. Live between the spiritual source and material course that force to be like others, forget about true colors. When unaligned to Mother Nature, always in a search to find a source to penetration, to fit in, find allies between the narrow-minded valleys. Stop, focus, first in, then out. You are the only master of this art.